Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar Runtown here with a song called And a Man. I think it's the first time here we have Runtown, so let's do this. And I'm enjoying perfect weather here in sunny France. Couldn't be better. Let's go into the setup. We have the capo on fourth. That's the absolute best scenario for us. 4 chords are rolls in the same way for the entire song. Let's learn the chords, starting with E minor. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor 7 next. That will be open A, second D, open G, first B, open E. We have the D minor 7. And that will be open D, second G, first B, and first E. And that first B, first E, I use my index finger as a short little bar there, all right? And the final chord is the G, and that will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. Okay, so that will be the chord progression through the entire song. We have the melody, let's go into that. And it starts like this for E minor. So it's 2 times on the second fret D string, and then 1 time on the second fret G. Then comes the A minor part, and it goes. That's the open B to first B. And then comes the D minor 7 part. It's 2 times on the open fret D string, and then first B. And then we have the final G part, and it goes. It's open B, second G, open G, and third D. So I'm gonna play through for you, and I'm gonna give you the bass notes to understand where the chord goes. So E minor, then A minor, and then open D string, and then G. So that's the chords, and you can play like this. Jag är för stressad nu, det blir helt fel alltså. Det var dåligt med batteritiden då. Och då kan vi har ingen backup i det liksom. Nej. Så det måste fulladdas, så jag måste spela in mig, öva in på det hemma innan jag kan, så vi verkligen sätter igång det. Är det en slut eller? Nej. Vi testar att spela en gång till. Ja. Mm. Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a sunny weather, not my usual circumstances. I'm in South France, enjoying weather and learning you some songs. Let's go into Runtown, first time here on Growing Guitar, with a song called And a Man. Alright, so let's go into the setup here. We have the capo on fourth, perfect scenario for us. 4 chords are rolls in the same way through the entire song. We're gonna start with those and learning the first chord, which is the E minor. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have A minor 7 next, and that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor 7, and that goes open D, second G, first B, first E, and that's first B, first E. I play that index on a short little bar like that, okay? And then finally we have the G chord. That will be third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. And there we have the chord progression through the entire song. Now we have a melody, we have a strumming pattern, and we can combine that to get some good vibes going on here. Let's learn the melody first, starting with the E minor. So it goes like this. So it's 2 times on the second fret, the D string, and then second fret G. That's the E minor part. Over to the A minor 7 part, it's open B to first B. Then we have the D minor 7 part. It goes open D string 2 times, and then first fret B string. And the final G part goes, that will be open B, second G, open G, and third D. And there we have the melody. So it goes like this. Okay? And every second time you start on E minor, you start with the open G string 2 times instead of second fret D string. So next time you play it around, goes instead of second fret D string. Okay? Everything else is the same, and that just rolls. Now let's go into the stringing pattern. And it's very simple, guys. If you grab the first chord, E minor, you're gonna play down, down, clap, down. And that is one string around. So down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. Okay, now you're gonna play one of these per chord. So E minor 1, A minor 7 1, D minor 7 1, and G 1 like this. Now when you know the string pattern and the melody, you can combine this and play something that sounds like this. That's it, guys. Yes, I know I played wrong there at one time, so I had to fix it with a couple of rounds extra. That's the beauty of going live, and that is how you learn to play